First years, welcome once again to your English class, especially the end of the story, A Service of Love, written by O. Henry. If you remember, in the previous class we have studied about how according to O. Henry true love leads to sacrifices and selflessness and self-interest. No self-interest is required for acquiring a true love and acquiring a good form of relationship. So here he actually we have got the explanation of two characters, Joe Larrabee and Delia Carathis. Both of them came to New York in order to pursue their art, their love for their art. One is a painter, the other is a singer, and he wants to take a painting lessons from the famous painter Magister, whereas Delia wanted to go for the music lessons and she has taken from the Rosenstock. So these two have started taking the lessons, but they got married, and after marriage it becomes difficult for them to continue living and continue taking the lessons as well as spending on their life. So what they have decided, what Delia has decided, she thought that she will go for teaching music lesson to any of the students who are in need, and then she will get the money, and the same thing they decided. She decided actually, not Joe. So what happened? Delia has got the job at one place where who was General A.B. Pinckney was there, and who has set her to teach the music lessons to her younger daughter known as Clementina, who actually is a good girl, and Delia liked them because they are very rich and they have attitude of them are too good, and they wanted to provide $5 per lesson, per music lesson. So Delia was very happy, but Joe was also feeling that he too have to do something. Maybe he has to sell the painting or something he has to do in order to get the money. So he cannot let Delia only work, because both of them have to work hard, and both of them are the lovers of the art. So their art should not die, as well as they should get the proper earning for their life. So what happened is that once the Magister, the person under whom Joe was learning the painting lessons, has praised the painting of Joe, of a painting of a sky which was made by Joe, and actually he made that painting in a park. So Magister has praised and said Joe to make more paintings from the, you can say, nature, or in the park, early morning sketches he wanted. So Joe said to Delia that now from tomorrow onwards I have to go early in the morning in the park. There I have to draw the sketches, and because Magister wanted me to get better in my paintings. So both of them started going. Where Joe was going for the whole week, he has gone to do the paintings in the park, whereas Delia was already taking the music lessons. So after the weekend, Delia has kept few dollars on the table, dining table. She was very happy that she has done something for for both of them, and she is not sacrificing her art also, art of learning the music. So she was happy and started praising both General and his home, because she was very much like, you can say, impressed by the home of General and the behavior of Clementina. She said Clementina is a very noble and a gentle girl, and she has lot of etiquettes and manners, even though she is quite young. Sometimes she throws tantrums, but not always. She is a very good girl, and I'm getting fond of her. Like, I started liking her and all, she said. Who said? Delia has said about General, his home, and Clementina. And General is actually, according to Delia, was a widower. That means his wife died. Now during all these things, Joe listened patiently, and after that Joe has kept few dollars on the table, and he said that I sold my painting today. to a man who actually saw my painting somewhere, and he came for me, he searched me and he ordered me that same type of the painting, and I have completed that painting and I have given to the person, and he was very much happy. He is a very fat rich person, and I sold that and he has given me few dollars. So both of them were very happy that they got the money with their arts. Because why they are happy? Art is still alive. For them, art is still alive. And here you can see that I have said you already, this sentence is repeated. Here they repeat the sentence like, when one loves one's art, no service seems too hard. So because music and painting actually is the love of their life, and this is actually art for them. So they are believing that they are getting both the things, lessons as well as they are getting the money for their life. So they enjoyed a very good dinner. They were very happy with that proceedings in the life. Now next Saturday, what happened? Delia came back from the music lessons, and she had her right hand totally wrapped into the bandages, and it was looking like something has happened to her. And in the meanwhile, Joe also came, and he kept few so you can say some dollars on the table, and suddenly he saw Delia's hand wrap up in the bandages, and he inquired what had happened. So Delia has said that Clementina dropped she was making some curry or something she was trying to make, and by the time she brought it here, the hot curry she has, by mistake she has dropped on my hand and my hand got burnt. Delia said that, and she said General was very much angry on Clementina and he was feeling very bad for me, and he provided the first aid. Immediately he sent somebody to get the drugs, means medicines from the medical store, and he brought the bandages and he called for some oil, and immediately they wrapped, they have tried their level best to provide me the first aid. And she said they are very happy, to have me at their home, but General was feeling very sorry that his daughter has done this work, even though Clementina didn't like to do that, didn't wanted to do that, but it had happened because sometimes circumstances are like that. So by mistake, because she was also a younger girl, and by mistake she has dropped a curry on Delia's hand. Now Joe, after inquiring, or you can say after looking into the bandages and all, he asked that what is there inside that bandage. So she said there is some oil or some cotton is there. I don't know what is that, but they have provided. So Joe has said that at what time it had happened. Delia has said it's around 5, but don't become angry, it had happened because of the mistake and all. So Joe has said that now stop telling all the lies, tell me the truth. He inquired to Delia the truth. So that means maybe she was making a fake story all these times, a false story. So Delia got tears in her eyes. He couldn't able to speak, but after a few moments she tried hard and she said, actually I didn't get any student for teaching the music lessons. So I decided to work in one of the laundry where I have to iron the shirts. So I am actually doing these 2 weeks, I am ironing the shirts. And by mistake today, one of the girl has kept the hot iron on my hand. So the hand has got burned. They provided all those things, but medical aid or first aid, whatever it is there, but I couldn't say it to you why I am working in that laundry, because you may feel bad that I have left my art. Which was the art? Learning music lessons. So I stopped my art because for living a life I need money and I am not getting the students. So I created the whole fake story of this General Pinkney and Clementina, all I have created, and in a lighter tone to make the mood of Joe better, she said, how nicely I made na, like I'm very good at making stories and creating stories. I have created 2 fake characters and on which you never have actually doubt on that. So Joe has said, and because of your fear of anger and all, I didn't inform you. Joe said that, now let me also reveal one truth to you, that I started working in the same laundry, in the engine of the same laundry. There I have to oil the parts and all. I am doing that. Since 2 weeks I am also in the same laundry where you are working in the upper floor, I am working in the ground floor. So there, today only it had happened that one of the person came running towards us and say that upstairs one girl has got burned at her hand, and so I only have provided oil and cotton and the bandages for you, even though I didn't know that it was you. So I know the cotton, the bandage color, everything I know. When I have seen that, I understood. And he said that for you I have taken that job because I thought you are teaching music lessons and I am not doing anything. So I created the fake story of the man who was buying my sketches and about the magister who is asking me to paint the natural scenes, and I was going to the park, all being created by me. So both of them actually saying the lies in order to save the life. They are saying all the lies. So what happened lastly, they said the same sentence like, when one loves one's art, no service seems too hard. They actually love each other, and for the sake of their love they sacrifice their art. As we have studied in the first class, like true love leads to sacrifices. So because they have a true love, they sacrifice their art. Both of them have sacrificed their learning of painting as well as the music, and they try to lead a good life. So with this we are ending the story. I hope you have enjoyed the story. Read the story, try to understand that, and you know that this short stories comprehension passages would come up into your examination. So don't read the summary of the story, read the whole story with the dialogues and all, so you can get an idea very easily. So now with this we are ending the whole poetry, prose and short story syllabus. In the next class we'll meet with the grammar portions. So by the time, take care, have a nice day.